Thanks for choosing BlackVue to provide you with the ultimate peace of mind. In this video, we'll guide you through the installation of BlackVue's Elite model front camera. Here's a look at the components we'll use for this installation. Proper placement of your camera is in the center of the windshield, just below the rear view mirror, facing forward. We recommend powering up your camera and connecting using the BlackVue app with Wi-Fi Live View to confirm your lens orientation is optimal. Wipe the area with the alcohol pad to ensure it's clean and dry before mounting. Next, peel the adhesive tape from the back of the camera and press it firmly against the glass. Now, let's connect your dash cam to a power source. We will show you how to use the provided cable to do a simple installation. Note, if you would like to use parking mode to monitor your vehicle when the ignition is off, you should use a parking mode accessory like a hardwire kit or dedicated battery. Check the links in the description for more information. Using the cable provided, connect the camera to your vehicle's PD 3.0 power jack or to the 12-volt cigarette power socket using the included adapter. Be sure that your ignition is on and your dashcam LED will light up, indicating the connection was successful. Now use the pry tool to hide wires under the headliner, plastic molding, or rubber sealing. Avoid running cables in any way that would interfere with airbag deployment. Use the provided cable clips to secure the wires in place. For more information, visit BlackVue.com.